I'm gonna make this hairstyle work. I'm gonna make it my Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. All right, so I'm not your hair girl, right? Like I got like one hairstyle and that's just using a curling iron. But I found some really fun, different hair tutorials on Pinterest. And so we're gonna have a little fun today. We're just gonna give them a try. I've got a comb and some hair ties and that's about it. So I'm going to try 4 different hairstyles, one being what I have in right now. And we're gonna see what works and what doesn't. I think you're in for some laughs, so let's go. Okay, this is the video we're attempting to do this from. So she's got her hair in like three sections here. So, wondering like how big of sections. All right. Her hair is also a lot neater than mine is right now. I slept in braids, so. Okay, and now she's got this also in a ponytail. I'm just gonna like loosely do this. Hot, okay. So she, oh, I see what she does. Okay, so she then goes like this, but twists it and then pulls this through and then does the same thing on this side, like twists it and then pulls everything through. And then tightens that, tightens this one. She has pieces loose in the front. I don't know if that's so much gonna work for me right now, but so. All right, I feel like I pulled too much now. That's what I feel like. I feel like if my hair was actually done, like maybe curled and not, I feel like it wouldn't look too bad. Well, I don't look like her, but that's okay. I think I'll have to try it again when my hair is like curled and maybe I have makeup on and big earrings because that always like makes things better. Oh, maybe I need to tighten this. Is that the problem? Nope, I think I just made that worse. We tried it, it's fine. It's what it is. If I was, we'll try it again.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
That's okay.
I'm fine!
You know what the problem is? They never show these things from the front. So like from the front, it might look like garbage. Just saying. All right, so for this one, we're doing this video. You know who would be great to do this on is my daughter, because she's got really long hair. She's got some pieces in the front. Mine are just gonna take. I probably should have just done my hair normally, but whatever. You know what I might do? I wonder if instead of a braid, I can do a twist. Now, she then goes like this and then pulls this through. Come on. All right, my hair tie's falling out, but I saved it. So, okay. Now, almost there. Okay, so now I did twists instead of braids. So I'm gonna just pull the twists. Okay. All right, not bad, not bad. Look, I think I did it. I just gotta like fix the front to make it more, a little looser. Let's see. Okay, I don't totally hate this. I think if I had makeup on, wouldn't be so bad, right? And like, I just might need to tweak this front part a little bit, but I don't totally hate it. So, okay, I'll have to try this one again when my hair is a little, actually no, it kind of works with the wave, but I'll have to try it again to practice it a few times. Okay, ready for the next one? I don't know if I am. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. Okay. Try this out. So she's got half up. So for anyone who is watching that might be around the same age as me, there used to be this tool called a topsy tail.
If you're getting bored with your hair, don't despair. Now try an exciting new look with Topsy Tail.
That did exactly what this girl is doing. And that was like all the rage.
You can expertly create dozens of dazzling styles for every occasion in no time.
Topsy tail. Oh my gosh, I bet if we Googled, we could find a picture. Right here. Because I know we're gonna find it, so I'm just gonna. All right, so she's got a half up, and she does, this is exactly what the topsy tail did. We needed a tool to do it, and nowadays the kids are so cool that they just figured out how to do it without one. So, okay. So topsy tail that up, right? All right, so now we're gonna do the same thing. We're splitting this into two. So let's loosen that up, topsy tail that in. Okay. Now this side. Okay, so, all right, one topsy tail, two topsy tails, three topsy tails. Like that. I feel like something had to have happened. I don't feel this is working. Like so not a win. I think the issue there is I don't have hair extensions, and something clearly happened, I'm convinced, that was not shown. I mean, I know I'm not good at hair, but I'm just saying. Something had to be up. All right, now I'm gonna show you one that I know I can do. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this. So, super easy. Ready? You're just gonna take the front half, okay? And you're gonna do a twist, almost like a French braid, but just with two. I'm only gonna go to right there. Now I'll do the other side. Okay, so now you have it like this. All you're gonna do is take those two pieces and take another hair tie. Tie the ends together. Now to loosen up the front, you're just gonna like pull on the twists a little bit, just so it's not so like, it's meant to be kind of like, you know, for hair days that you don't really wanna do anything or didn't wash your hair or whatever, and it's just super simple. And that's about it. Hopefully you have better luck than I did if you do any of those videos. Although we got one good one, right? Two. All right, that was fun. If there's other things you want me to try, let me know. Maybe we'll get something better. See you guys next time.